I can't hear you. Stop with your bullshit. You gotta be for touching me.
I might be, I don't know. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe, sir. You got some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right.
You touched me. That's what pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
Just get back in your car.
Okay, all right. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by NC Tyrant Hunter, who in May of 2020 was conducting an audit of the Franklin Correctional Center in North Carolina, all of which is easily observed from the public roadway surrounding it, when Deputy Hernandez of the Franklin County Sheriff's Office arrived on scene and ordered him to have a seat in his truck.
I can't hear you. I'm right here, Daddy. This ain't no traffic stop. You can't bully me. This ain't no traffic stop. Stop with your bullshit. I know my rights. Baby, I'm good.
Sir,
you see how big I am?
It's dangerous. You need to step over here.
I'm in control of my safety.
Yes, sir. For your safety,
hey, where you 6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey, watch out now.
Step over here.
You can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other side of the road.
You understand? I'm recording you right now.
Yes, sir. I know that.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stand over there.
You're stupid.
I don't want you to
Are you stupid? You gotta be for touching me.
I might be. I don't know.
You know that's a lawsuit, right?
I want you to stand over here.
Just like you talking about putting him back in my damn truck. I know my rights, dude.
I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt.
Then you should have stayed in your car.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I got a call out here to see
You didn't get this ain't a traffic stop, though, buddy. You know better.
Look, I got a call out here. I'm on a call, all right?
You don't push me, though. You don't do that.
Yes, sir. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe, sir.
Chapter 14, subsection 33, classifies a simple assault and battery as a Class 2 misdemeanor. We may never know the true intent of Deputy Hernandez's approach, as he appears to push NC Tyrant Hunter further from the road in the name of safety. And while safety may have been the primary concern of the deputy, NC Tyrant Hunter did not seem to be in immediate danger, and his actions would likely be considered unlawful if he were not protected by state immunities. A District of Columbia Court of Appeals case known as Warren v. DC held that the police do not owe a specific duty to provide police services to specific citizens based on the public duty doctrine. The ruling was shored up by the Supreme Court decision Castle Rock v. Gonzales that prevented law enforcement from being sued if they failed to prevent harm to an individual. Both cases made the popular slogan "Protect and Serve" a lie, and should serve as a warning that your personal safety is your own responsibility, and a reminder that neither law enforcers or the Supreme Court has no obligation to protect you. Regardless, the deputy's demeanor appeared polite, but putting hands on someone without their express consent is definitely out of line.
You ain't in control of my safety.
Have you got some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm
fine.
great, man.
Okay, all right.
You're not going to be great when I sue your fucking ass for touching me.
All right, you can't
That's
use
an unwanted touch.
unwanted
touch.
You can't use
I'm
profanity.
on public property. I can cuss all day long. It's called free speech. I know my rights.
You're wrong, and I'm trying to explain
I'm not wrong.
So just don't
know better. I know better. I know better. I know better.
All right, I'm trying to tell you the statute.
I know.
You can talk over me.
I know it.
You can talk over me if you want to.
Because you're a dumbass. That's why.
Look, sir.
You touched me. That's what pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care about what you want. I'm in control of my safety.
All right. Well,
you had that's an unwanted touch, and I can press charges on your dumb ass.
Well, you do whatever you need to do, sir. I just want you to be safe.
Touch
okay,
me,
buddy?
You fucking stupid, man. You should have never touched me.
Now I got a call out here.
Call for service. Do your job then.
Okay.
Investigate.
Okay.
You see what we doing? That's what we've been doing the whole time.
Y'all, what are you doing?
Filming.
Okay. All right.
Illegal protected activity.
Okay.
You're gonna push me.
Sir, you keep going back to the
because that pissed me off and you had no right to touch me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get you.
You sorry my ass? You wasn't sorry when I told you to stop 3 times.
Once we got over here, we okay now?
3 times. No, we're not okay.
Yes, we're
No, we're not okay because you touched me.
Okay, all right, that's fine. All right, and you don't want to give me any information?
You're not getting nothing. You was fine until you put your hands on me, sir.
Sir, you can
What's
say
your
that.
name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
ID number.
Yeah, I don't have an ID number.
What's your name then?
Little. It's right here.
Little. So you don't even know what side it's on?
No, I don't, because, I mean...
You don't wear it every day?
Sometimes I wear this uniform, sometimes I don't.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. I don't work every day.
So now you can get your dumb ass right back in your car and let me do what I come here to do.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
Right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep.
Get hurt, all right?
You know you're going to hear from you touching me like that.
Sir,
I don't care. Listen.
You can't stand.
I'm in control of my safety.
You see this truck?
I see that truck. That's what they're supposed to do. I'm a pedestrian at this point.
Sir, you're on the side. You're in the roadway. If you go over there 25 feet, you're out of the roadway. You can't be out here.
I'm not going out there 25 feet.
You're impeding traffic.
You just did that, not me.
No, he didn't.
You was on that side. He seen you first.
I know.
And if he can't see my big ass, something's wrong.
Look, sir, I don't
Just get
know.
back in your car.
Okay, all right. Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, kick rocks. Touching me. Crazy. Out your damn mind. Take that with you.
NC Tyrant Hunter went on to file a complaint with the department, and they thoroughly investigated themselves, but refused to inform him of the results or of any disciplinary action taken to remedy the incident.
So I filled out a complaint on Deputy Hernandez Friday. So he called me this morning, Captain Roberto Reyes, Officer of Professional Standards, called me to come out and have an interview. I just left the interview. I couldn't record. He said there was no recording in there, so that was kind of weird. You know, I really wanted to record it. He needs discipline. He needs to make sure, they need to make sure that don't happen to anybody else, ever. I filled out a complaint form, and let me go ahead and tell you guys, and I'm gonna hear a lot of shit for this. This is the first complaint form I filled out. And let me tell you why. Because I figured, right, you fill out a complaint form, they could police themselves. So it really don't do no good, right? I'm tired of these tyrant deputies getting away with murder, right? He said they're gonna do an investigation. I gave him a flash drive of the video, the unedited video, right? I had a problem with them policing themselves, you know? He told me they can't tell me the verdict, right? They told me that I can't find out what the disciplinary action, if any, was dealt out to Deputy Hernandez. Is that not crazy?
Remember to keep your cameras rolling, and if you enjoyed today's video, I highly recommend you head over to NC Tyrant Hunter's channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.